In this video, you will meet the extended data center team working inside the building shell. The architect shares the building extents from Autodesk Construction Cloud with the engineering manager. The rack engineer then uses Inventor to lay out the server racks and FlexSim to test capacity and movement before the MEP and structural engineers use the coordinated Revit model to design services and structure around the real rack layout. Welcome to episode 3 of our data center series. With the building extents now confirmed and shared through Autodesk Construction Cloud, the project moves from concept to coordinated optimization. This is where connected data and early decisions directly influence cost, performance, and long-term operability. Using Autodesk Inventor, we rapidly develop a high-level layout of the data center floor, placing intelligent server racks and FTU assets directly into a 3D plan. These are not generic symbols, they are data-rich components built for several constraints real-time. As the layout evolves, it automatically becomes a full 3D model. There is no translation step, no model recreation, and no loss of intent. Every change remains fully synchronized across 2D and 3D. This connected approach allows teams to move quickly while maintaining accuracy, a critical requirement in modern data center delivery. But space utilization alone is not enough, right? The real question is, are we designing for performance and resilience? With FlexSim, we analyze and optimize rack placement directly within the layout. In this scenario, the design achieves approximately 75% capacity with the available footprint, balanced against airflow, access, and operational efficiency. Beyond static layout, simulation plays a critical role. We test maintenance access, movement paths, and serviceability in a virtual environment. With layout and performance validated, the model becomes foundation for downstream execution. The inventor design is seamlessly shared as a Revit model, ensuring continuity across disciplines. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams can immediately begin detailed design, leveraging the same coordinated data to develop cooling, ducting, and power systems. Structural engineers use accurate live and dead load information, including server equipment, to design slabs and beams with precision. Throughout this process, Autodesk Construction Cloud connects teams, data, and decisions, enabling real-time collaboration between owners, designers, and builders. This is how Autodesk helps data center teams deliver faster, smarter, and more resilient facilities by connecting design, simulation, and execution into a single trusted workflow.